4:17 p.m. Friday afternoon, March 1st, 2024, aboard world famous Via Rail train number 1. The Canadian headed from Toronto Union Station to Park Central Station, British Columbia, Canada. We're making our stop at Unity, Saskatchewan, on the Saskatchewan prairies. Population of Unity is 2,572. We were due to stop here at 1:44 p.m. Running late mainly because last evening at Winnipeg Union Station, Manitoba, we had to pick up a dining car and a sleeping car because our dining car, York, had a oven fire east of Winnipeg. It's like Unity has a grain elevator.
It's time now, so we sure are. Nobody did answer when I had it.
Highball Unity, Saskatchewan. Next stop is Edmonton, Alberta. Looks like we're making 2 stops here at Unity. We have 2 trusty, reliable General Motors Corporation F40PH-2 diesel electric locomotives manufactured at Diesel Division, General Motors Canada, London, Ontario, Canada plant with components from where I worked, Electromotive Division, General Motors Corporation, Makok, Illinois plant. We have 1 baggage car, 1 coach, 2 Skyline Dome cars, 1 for the coach passengers, 1 for we sleeping car passengers, 6 Manor type, MANOR type sleeping cars. My sleeper is Fraser Manor, open section, lower berth number 02L. We have 1 dining car, York, that had the oven fire, not in service. We have another dining car put on at Winnipeg Union Station yesterday evening. We have the Prestige class sleeping car, Chateau Dallin, and this dome observation car, Laurentide Park. This is the dome level.
That's when David said you saved him, because I thought you were the only person that made all these.
Let's have a look inside the dome level of this dome observation, Laurentide Park.
I'm not going to do that. I don't want people talking about me.
Highball Unity, Saskatchewan at 4:22 p.m. It's now 4:25 p.m. Friday afternoon, March 1st, 2024. Aboard the world famous VRL train number 1, the Canadian, headed from Toronto to Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, now west of Unity, Saskatchewan. Over and out.